One day Thomas had to take a special train and went to the yard to shunt the train. But when Thomas arrived at the yard, the train was nowhere to be seen. Thomas checked all the sidings, but to no prevail. "Holy shit," said Thomas, "the train isn't here." Thomas went around the entire island looking for the damn train. Thomas was getting angry. That fat fuck of a controller needs to give me a raise to deal with this shit. Thomas, calm the fuck down, it isn't that bad.
You know what, driver? Fuck this shitty railway. So long, suckers.
We are gathered here today to mourn the loss of the most annoying fuck on the island, Thomas the Rolling Death Machine. To be honest, I don't give a shit about this engine. I mean, he was like 5 cents online, so fuck it.